Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Shri. Today I would like to solve one course for Python question and the name of the question is counting sheep. Here the problem statement is consider an array or a list of sheep where some sheep may be missing from their place. We need a function that counts the number of sheep present in the array. That means which indicates the sheep is present in the array, that is true. See here the list of sheep is given here, which consists of true or false. If it is true, then the count is added there. Here the output is 17. Now we are going to write code for it. They are already given here. I am taking the variable a for storing the count of the sheep. After that I am iterating the list. We know that the name of the list is sheep, so I am iterating the list for I in sheep. I am checking if it is true, it is equal to true, then I need to increment it. That means it indicates number is added. After completing it, I need to return the a, how many sheep are present here. Let's check once. See, all 53 test cases are passed. It is very simple question. We need to check true or false by iterating the loop. I hope you like this question. If you like this question, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends also. Thank you so much.